murder of one woman or girl is too many. It is unacceptable, and we refuse to normalize these occurrences in our country. In 2024, so far FIDA Kenya is aware of at least 30 cases of women who have died in the hands of intimate partners as a result of domestic violence and femicide. These cases have been reported to the National Police Service, but unfortunately, the pace of investigations is excruciatingly slow, resulting in the denial of justice. We maintain that these are not just statistics, but innocent women's lives, whose lives were cut short by horrifying acts of violence.
That should there be no action within the next 30 days, we will consider other options, including mobilizing a nationwide picketing of women to demand our right to safety and justice. We cannot allow femicide to become a normalized part of a society. Enough is enough. The government, in partnership with civil society, must take immediate action to protect women and girls and to guarantee that no woman in Kenya will live in fear simply because she's female. Enough is enough.